everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have been away for a while. I was meant to post whilst I was away in Australia. I was in Australia seeing my boyfriend for 2 weeks, and I had got some things that I wanted to post whilst I was away. I left my memory card back in the UK, so I apologise for that because I couldn't edit any of the work that I'd done whilst I was out there. So yeah, but you know, hey, it is what it is. But whilst I was away, I had loads of parcels come through, and I just wanted to do a little bit of like a blogger mail unboxing kind of thing for you guys. Some stuff's gifted, some stuff I spent my own money on. So yeah, I'll tell you what was what. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you real quick. There's a pile of stuff there. So yeah, let's jump in with this. I think this is a press parcel, whatever it may be, because I know the PR company on it. Ugh. It's certainly the closest one to me. A mystery to all so far. Okay, cute. So this is by F.A.Q, which is I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. It is, I thought it was a nail brand, but they do other things as well. I love their liquid eyeliner, the Stampin' Dragon. So these are watermelon burst hydrating eye patches. Now these probably come in handy more so on the plane than not now, but I find things like this, I always pack things like this in my long haul travel bag because I find that the airplane air just completely dries my skin out and I leave looking like crap. And then there's some pretty paper. What is this? This has been handwritten, which makes me think it's exciting. It's in eco-approved packaging, it says. Oh my god, I'm so excited! So I bought these from Ame London, and this is my friend Chloe. She did a collection with them, a collaborative collection. If you don't follow her already, please do. Oh, this is so much prettier than I thought it was going to be. Like, and that's like saying something because obviously the imagery was gorgeous for the campaign. It's this gorgeous, gorgeous locket heart necklace. It's gold plated, I believe. And then I ordered something else which I completely forgot about. Oh shit, let's get back in. Ah, yes, this one. So I ordered all this stuff when I was in Australia. I completely forgot about it, so it's nice to come home to some presents. So I have seen this in a lot of people. I've got similar things from Misoma, but I wanted something that was a little bit different and I could wear these two together and I think it looks really pretty. So, yay! No idea what this could be. Oh shit. I was opening the sentences this way up the whole time. So that's not really a good start, and there's like powdery stuff coming out of it. Oh, Garnier! Garnier nighttime treats for you and your skin. Enjoy, love Garnier. All packaging in this mailer is 100% recycled, reusable or biodegradable. Ooh. I don't know when they sent this to me, but I feel like the marshmallows still seem quite fresh. Okay, I feel I've got this, and I'm gonna save this, the whole thing. And okay, so this is also an eye mask. I really like the Garnier ones. I've had a few of these. I've had a few Garnier and Neutrogena ones before, which I really like. And I am a huge fan of doing like little face mask reviews of these kind of things on my Instagram stories. I haven't done one in a while. -4 skin cooling effect. Okay. Cool. So this is going to be really good at like depuffing your eyes and stuff. So the RRP price is really good. They're £2.99, which is decent. It's come from FedEx. Wow, I'm really not very good at opening things like. Is there a better way for this? I have been on a huge fitness wear bender, ordering loads and loads. So this is gonna be way too big. I can tell this now. Okay, so sorry, I'm getting like way ahead of what I'm saying. So basically, I've ordered and bought loads of fitness wear at the moment, and I ordered this when I was over in Australia from Revolve. I bought loads of nice new things, but I ordered everything in the size that I thought I was, and then I went shopping in Australia for loads of new fitness stuff, and everything I had to buy like a size down than what I originally would usually get. So I have a really shitty feeling this won't fit, and also this doesn't, first look at this doesn't seem particularly supportive. This is by a brand called Coral, which is a sportswear brand. I bought a lot of stuff recently which I find not very supportive at all, and it's annoying, but like a lot of it is quite, you know what, I'm just gonna go through this. I'm gonna do a whole dedicated fitness wear haul, so I'll just show you a sneak preview of what I have at the moment. So these are a pair of leggings, and they match the sports bra. They're real cool. I like having quite, because I do boxing a few times a week at Co-Box, I like having quite like badass kind of sportswear stuff. Oh my god, these ones are so nice. Whew. So these are an XS, I think, because they only had them in an extra small, but I find that extra smalls actually are fitting me better at the moment than smalls. So if these are a small, this could be problematic. Yeah, I don't know, we'll see. We'll try them on. So tune in for when I do my fitness wear haul. I really love animal print sportswear, because I find that it fits really seamlessly into my everyday wear. So I think this is a really cool sports bra, because actually it just looks like it could be a normal kind of top. So they had some matching leggings for this, but I felt like wearing a top like this and then all black leggings, all tiger leggings, just looks a little bit like, it looks like I'm trying to be like Scary Spice. And then this one, I swear this was a different, oh. Okay, this is 1,000,000% going back. Like, do I even need to try this on to like, okay, that is not gonna fit my nipples, like, at all. I usually buy even though my boobs are pretty big, I buy my sports bras in smalls, because I am quite like small here. So it needs to, otherwise I find they're just too big in general if I get a medium. But that's a size small and then it's tiny. So yeah, that is, I don't even need to think about that. Right, okay, let me put my stuff on there. Okay. Ooh, Jennifer Lopez. Real. By Sophie Milner. Okay, this is, what's this say? We all make promises to ourselves and one another. They are meant to be forever. Okay, that sounds relatively threatening. J-Lo threatening us. Promise. I'm gonna have a little spritz of the fragrance. I won't lie, I'm always a little apprehensive about fragrances by celebrities. I'm going out after this, but I'm gonna take the risk and it's actually quite nice. Yeah, that's actually really nice. Certainly not my usual kind of thing. For me, this is probably more of a summer scent. I like really kind of like smoky dark things for winter, but actually, I like that. Okay, Isle of Paradise. It has it on the box, so I know what's gonna be in here. Something Isle of Paradise. I love their products. I always really like their tan. I'm pretty sure they're all vegan, cruelty free, which is always really important and really nice. I'm trying to switch to as much stuff as I can, like when it comes to things like that, because it's, you know, it's step by step. Okay, so in this little mailer, we've got this autumn box. Look, there's a pumpkin in here. Excellent. So, happy tan, everyday gradual glow. Okay, I love that, with color correcting actives to even skin tone. Okay, excellent. I love a gradual tan. I like topping up my tan that I put on probably once a week with gradual tan throughout the week. We've got a 3 ginger tea bag. I actually have these tea bags myself. I love them. Time to get cozy. Pumpkin spice. But what does one do with this? Oh, it's candle. Like, ooh. Oh, that is nice. Okay, at first I was a bit like, oh, that smells a bit gross. Yeah, it's just a tiny little candle. And then my fave, tanning drops. I love these tanning drops. I usually get the dark ones, but now it is going into autumn. I've probably got to lay off a little bit and just go back to doing more lighter colours. Okay, let's put these over here. Oh, I really like that perfume. It's really nice. Okay, what's in here? I really have no idea what this could be. Ugh. Okay, so I've got a handheld steamer. I'm insanely lazy when it comes to ironing things. I don't have an ironing board. I have like a small one that you kind of put out and put in your work surface. And I just can never be bothered. So every time I basically put things up on Instagram being like, oh, sorry, I haven't ironed this, or even when I've done it, like, you know, videos, I'm, oh, sorry, this is really creased, whatever, like, and you always get comments from people like, oh, it's really creased, aren't you meant to be a fashion blogger? And it's like, yeah, but I'm also really lazy. Then I always get people reply and be like, you need a handheld steamer. It's like, I know I do, but I can't be asked to buy one. I just don't care, I'm lazy, but I've been sent one, so that's fantastic. Thank you very much. This is a Beldray Multi-Steam Pro. Yeah, I love things. I did used to have one, but it was really shit and just like spurted water everywhere. It was more like a really shit kettle. So yeah. Oh, ooh. Oh my god, why does it smell like mint chocolate? Ooh. Oh my god, do you ever go to the Indian restaurant and they put these on the thing at the end and they're like little like dark chocolate, minty chocolates? Yes, I'm gonna save them for one of those I'm craving stuff I'm on my period kind of day. So I love Sienna. Sienna is one of my favorite fake tan brands. My 3 faves are probably Isle of Paradise, Sienna, Bondi Sands, and maybe even Saint-Tropez. So I have a few favorites, but it's kind of like there's different products from every brand that I really love. Like Isle of Paradise, their face drops are my favorite. Bondi Sands, their ultra dark mousse is my favorite. Saint-Tropez, their express tanning mousse is my favorite, but I don't use it for express. I don't find the colors deep enough. I have to leave it overnight. And Sienna, they're my favorite from them, is their gradual tan. It's unreal. This is Ultra Dark Q10 Tinted Self-Tan Lotion for darkest pro results. Yes! Moisturizing anti-cellulite formula. I don't know if that really technically exists. I don't really think anything gets rid of cellulite, but apart from water and exercise, but I don't really think the lotion's necessarily going to change it. I mean, I'm not being funny, but I wish I could go that dark. I never ever go that dark. Ever. Ever. I just go orange. Oh, Essie. Oh, I love the nail polishes. Let's have a little look what Essie have sent to me. Oh, this is so awesome collection because I've seen this like advertised on... Oh, it's the Sweater Weather 2019 limited edition collection. Yes, I've seen this on Pinterest. These colors are so beautiful, so nice. So if you're after kind of like really like lovely autumn colors, that's incredible. It's like a really gorgeous coppery orange, like pumpkin, shiny pumpkin, and that's like a not necessarily shiny pumpkin, but yeah, I'm really tempted to paint over my own nails with this because that looks pretty cool. And then there is some other, I think I've had something very similar to this one before. It's a really gorgeous color. And then this, not the usual thing that I would go for, but kind of feeling it. This I was specifically intrigued by. So it's just like, I'm just like, what have I forgot that I've ordered whilst being away? Or what random stuff am I being sent? Casa Chic. So Casa is home. So it's gotta be something home-weary. Oh, lovely. Oh my God. Okay, so this is amazing. So Barriers of London, this is so cute. They do these really gorgeous like homemade art. And what it is, it's the music notes and the chords of like, they have like some certain songs, but they can also do custom ones. They make really nice gifts. So these are, they're like, so it's basically like the music notes, and they just kind of flick out into paint, and they're so beautiful. Oh, so nice. More Essie nail polishes. Ooh, look at these glittery ones. These are real nice. So this is like a really pretty glittery collection. What is it? Gorgeous geodes. 2019 limited edition. So yeah, basically these are all really beautiful coloured, subtly coloured glittery nail polishes. You can probably see a little bit clearer the colours here. They're really nice and subtle, so I'm really excited to give them a try. Oh, there's another one lurking in the bag. And then, oh God, what hiccups. Okay. I can't put this on my phone straight away because I need to get a pop socket for it, but I ordered a case for my new iPhone from Casetify. They're really good because they do like high impact cases, but also like really pretty ones. So this is a really cute one with my name on it. So that will go on there. Yeah, just like that. So cute. Anyway, that's my unboxing of everything. I'm gonna quickly tidy the place up because I'm gonna be late for brunch. This always rolls on longer than expected will. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will be back soon with a video very shortly. Sorry, I've got the rugby on in the background, so I'm getting like super distracted watching it. But yeah, and I'll be back soon with another video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed already, and follow me on Instagram as well. The link is below. Thanks for watching. Bye guys. Waste all your breath,